We don't have any Stegosaurus material ready in the museum, so this is a really exciting moment for us. It's a really nice opportunity for us to get a stunning new specimen in, but we'll also get a lot of new science out of this. This is the most complete Stegosaurus ever found anywhere. It's a nice thing, isn't it?
It's great. So it's number 13.
In particular, this is the only one with a really good complete set of plates along the back.
Look at those.
So this really is a prize. We have a huge amount of work to do with this. What we actually have is around 9 months to do all of the scientific work associated with the skeleton before we then put it out onto permanent display in our public galleries.
Stegosaurus was one of the titans of the Jurassic Age, but surprisingly little is known about its anatomy.
One of the most interesting debates about Stegosaur is the function of the plates that ran along their back. Some people have suggested that they could be used in a defensive role, others have suggested it's for sexual display, and then others have suggested it's for either gaining or losing heat quickly.
To unlock the secrets inside its skeleton, the team needs to create a digital model of the Stegosaur. High-resolution laser scans of the dinosaur's plates recreate their surface structure in microscopic detail. Next, CT scanning is used to create virtual slices through the skeleton.
One of the nicest things about the skeleton is this extremely well-preserved skull. That is what makes it so exceptional and so valuable. CT scanning allows us to see inside some of the skull bones to actually look at the shape and size of the brain. The brain would have sat in this little area here. And what we've discovered is that it's actually somewhere between the size of a walnut and a little satsuma, something like that. The Stegosaur probably wasn't the most high-functioning of dinosaurs, but really they did well enough to survive for several tens of millions of years. So obviously their small brain was more than good enough for what they needed to do.
To complete the investigation, hundreds of photos of each bone are taken, generating a highly accurate 3D model.
Now we've extracted all of this data, there's so much more that we can learn about the Stegosaurus. For example, how heavy it would have been, how powerful its bite force was, the strength of the plates, and even how fast it would have walked.
Once every millimetre of the Stegosaur has been digitally captured, the team can start assembling the 300 bones that make up the real skeleton. After 9 months under the scientific spotlight, the Stegosaurus can now take up residence in the museum galleries.